I want to show you guys something right over here. So right here, what we're doing over here is we're reinforcing the bottom of the transom with some fiberglass. See that? I have two types of fiberglass mat over here. This is a 1.5 ounce mat. This is 1708 fiberglass right over here. It's thick, much thicker than, if you compare them side by side, much thicker. This one, you can almost see. I could do a little bit of some messing it up and ripping it. You can almost rip it with one hand, right? Look at that. See that? If you look through it, you can kind of see through it already, right over there. This one, you can't do none of that. This does nothing. So thick, very powerful stuff right over here. We're gonna put a layer out, get it nice and rigid. So what we did here is we installed a layer of, well, we glassed in a layer of 1708, which is that thick fiberglass mat. That's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned. I have PVC board I'm going to be installing in, and that will be for the next video. Alright, thanks for watching Alex Man Boating and Fishing Adventures, and stay tuned for the next episode where we will be glassing more and more, work on this boat. Alright, peace out, people.